Very. Now y-axis is, sorry, x-axis is time in hours. H-O-U-R-S. Then x-axis, that is the x-axis is time in hours. Then y-axis, right, itself intensity, that is intensity of rainfall in centimeter. Will not change. Don't change this. Intensity will be in centimeter per hour. It will not change. It will be fixed. But what the x-axis is changing. Now we are writing it. So the previous one, hydrograph you have shown. Previous one. It is how much hours hydrograph? Can you measure? 180 minutes you have shown. 180 divided by 60 will give hours. No, do it. How much?
3 hours.
That is, if I write it now, it is 3 hours hydrograph. How long? Ila 180 by 60 is how much? 60 minutes. 180 divided by 60 will give so much hours. This is 3 hours hydrograph. Coming next. Second. Time in hours. Now look at those very careful. How I am writing it? 0. Right? I am changing it. 2 hours. Then 4 hours. Then 6 hours. I am not adding 1 hour. 1 hour is here, sir. 3 hours is here. It will be settled now. Then 6 hours. Then next 8 hours. Then 10 hours. Next is 12 hours. Next, here I am changing it. Previously I written 0.5. Now I am getting 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, something like that. Okay, shall I write here? Okay, now write 0.2. If I write 0.2, it will be 0.2 centimeter per hour. Understood? 0.2, increment of 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. 0.8, then 1.0, then 1.2. You write it properly? 1. I am not drawing the things to scale. In graph, you have to do it very correctly. 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, 2.2, 2.4, then 2.6, then 2.8, then 3. Okay, right? Right, first one, right now. Now, first graph for first 2 hours. Right now, first 2 hours. 2 hours, 4 hours. First 2 hours, the rainfall is, example, it will be 0.4. Correct, okay. Good. Look at this. First 2 hours, the rainfall was 0.2 centimeter per hour. पक्का पॉइंट येलो एक तो बात है. Next first 2 over not 0.2, not 0.2, sorry it will be 0.4, of course, because your notes 0.4 is better. Yes sir, I am not changing it. 0.4, sorry. First I write it here. Don't worry. It will be 0.4 centimeter per hour. Next will be for the next 2 hours. Next 2 hours, it is 0.8. 0.8 is somewhere here. 0.8 centimeter per hour. You write it here. 0.8 centimeter per hour. Next, it has fallen down to, very careful, from 0.8 to, it will be 0.7 centimeter per hour. 0.7, where is the 0.7? 0.8 is here, no? 0.8, then 0.7 is here, somewhere here. Correct? Approximately. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Scale है तो अच्छा है. 0.7 centimeter. Just come down. Next is how much? It will be 1.0 centimeter per hour. Higher. 1.0 is here. 1.0 is here. 1 point. Next 2 hours. means between 6 hours to 8 hours. How much? It is 1.0 centimeter per hour. Next 2 hours. Next 2 hours, it will be again reduced by, okay, again it is reduced by 0.4. Again it is reduced by 0.4. This is 0.4 centimeter per hour. Then the last hour, it is coming as 0.3 centimeter per hour. Very careful. 0.2 is here, 0.3 is somewhere here. 0.3 centimeter. This is 0.3 centimeter. This is also a hydrograph. Hydrograph of how many? How many hours? Is how many hours? 12 or not?
12.
It is not 12. It is 12 hours hydrograph. Yes or no? 1 day for 12 hours hydrograph. Next, second one. Shall we solve problem? Can you ready? Are you ready? We'll solve the problem here. You are ready, or will solve problem after the other two methods being explained? Mass curve is there, point. Which one is shall we solve the problem, or you solve the problem after the two methods? Okay, there are no problem. Next, second method. What is that? Half an hour what? 4 hours. Mass, second method. Mass curve of rainfall. Mass curve of rainfall. So did you take both the things? Important. Both sketches are very important. In the examination, if you write these two sketches and explain about hydrograph 2 or 3 sentences, you will get out of 4 marks. Shall I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mass curve of rainfall. Method. Now, here I am going to explain the first, after that sketch. What is the mass curve method? Here also, the plot is being made. The plot is being made between the time in hours, x-axis, then a cumulative intensity of the rainfall. What is cumulative? Here, your plot. Okay. Look at what is the x-axis? What is x-axis?
Time.
Time in hours.
Time in hours.
Okay. Next, the x-axis is cumulative rainfall in centimeter. Very careful, correct? Y-axis. Cumulative rainfall in centimeter. Look here, rainfall intensity is different, rainfall in centimeter is different. It is just occurrence of the rainfall. Correct now? Example, if you ask me, time in hours, right now, what I want now? Every 4 hours I want this. Every 4 now I am changing. First 4 hours, 04. You are 0 here, 4 hours. Next is 8 hours. Do it. You ready? Ready. 4, 8, 12. Every 4 hours. 4. Next is 12. Next is how much?
16.
16.
20.
Next is 20. Next is
24.
24. Okay. Next. Right. Now I am going to change it here somewhere. After 24, what you have written here, you again start measuring. So this is complete data. 24 is what?
Time.
Hours.
24 hours.
Hours means what?
1 day. 1 day.
Monday over. Now I will start fresh in the after 24. How? From after 24, again 4, again 8, again 12. Correct or not?
Next day.
Next. Changing. Right? Now, here small change will be there in y-axis. The y-axis will be giving you cumulative rainfall in centimeter, not the rate of rainfall or not the intensity of rainfall. If you ask me, first 4 hours, then the rainfall occurred was 2 centimeters. Shall I show? Divide. That was right. Right. Then how much? 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters will be something here. Shall I write it here? Okay, then 2. Next is 4 centimeter. Next is 6 centimeter. Next is 8 centimeter. The curve would have been big. 12 hours. Very close. Okay, na? Right. Now, look at 2 centimeter of rainfall. 4 centimeter of rainfall. No question. Means if you ask me in Bijapur on Monday between 0 to 4, no, there is here 0 will be midnight 12 example. Midnight 12 to early morning 4 hours okay na? Up to that the rainfall occurred was, example I am telling you, the total rainfall occurred was 2 centimeter. So okay, this put a point here and the point here. Next, at exactly after 12 hours, look very careful. 12 hours at this particular 12 hours, then the rainfall occurred was 5 centimeter. Put a point there. Example, this graph I am going to show. It's a mass curve. I did not tell you what is cumulative rainfall. What is cumulative? What is cumulative? Cumulative, I think statistics you have not studied. Cumulative percentage. Cumulative, you don't know. Cumulative. For example, if you ask me, first hour, the rainfall which has been occurred is 2 centimeter. Then at 12 o'clock, that's after how many hours? First 4 hours. Next 1, 2. Next 8 hours, the rainfall occurred was how much? 7 centimeter. Then what should the cumulative rate? Anybody? Here it is 7. Here it is 4. No, but 4 or 2? 2. 2. First 4 hours 2 centimeter. Then at 12 hours 7 centimeter. What is the cumulative rate here? Anybody?
5.
Hey, 7 plus 2 is how much?
9.
Then okay. Cumulative, no? Now if anybody asks me, at this point, the cumulative rainfall is 2 plus 7 into 9 centimeters. Last year, 2020 year, from January to December, you have earned 20,000 rupees. How you earned? I am not asking. Then in the 2021, you have earned 30,000 rupees. What is the cumulative earning of yours?
15,000.
20 plus 30.
50.
Again in the 2021, 2020, how much? 20,000. 2021, 30,000. 2022, 50,000. Somehow you got chance earn. Then what is the cumulative earning of yours in the year 2022 December? If I ask you, you should say it is 20 plus 30 plus 50. Total?
100. 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
You should not say 20 only. No. Cumulative addition is a cumulative. That's what I said. This is known as cumulative rainfall. It's no question of centimeter per hour. Net rainfall. So the way of showing the graph, where the x-axis will show you time in hours, 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, whatever. Then the y-axis will show you net rainfall, cumulative rainfall in centimeter. If you plot the graph, that graph is known as a mass That graph is known as a mass curve. Understood or not? Now here in this particular graph, rough I am going to show. Here I am showing you rough. Somewhere I am going to show you. Somewhere I will show you. The dots are the actual impulse. Somewhere it is. Then somewhere it is. Example are very rough. I have shown the graph wrong means wrong. I have taken my own data. Then if I join all these pointers, example I am telling you, rough, very rough. I don't know the data. I am not drawn the graph as per the data. And as per the data only, but it is my data. It is not actual data. So this curve is known as mass curve. What is that? Mass curve. Now you may ask me, what is use of this mass curve? We will not ask that. What is use of the rainfall? What is that? See, when the rainfall is increasing from 2 hours to 4 hours, somewhere at how much? 12, 24, 4,
16.
8, 12, 16. Somewhere at 16 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, somewhere at 16 hours, as per this scale, then the rain intensity has suddenly stopped decreasing. See, it is increasing, but when at the 16 hours, if you look at the graph, it is decreasing. Why it is decreasing? Why it is decreasing? This decrease in the rainfall can be corrected. Actually, the rain gauge has shown the decrease in the rainfall. Actually, the decrease has not taken place. Some correction has to be applied for this one. Application. That is known as the correction to the mass curve. And finally, we arrive at the actual rainfall recorded in centimeter in cumulative way is the correct way of rainfall, and as per the timings which we mentioned. So this particular decrease in the rainfall will show you the correction. That particular decrease in the rainfall for that particular period. Which period? From 16 hours to the 24 hours. Example, the 8 hours rainfall, 4 plus 4. Or 4 plus 7, of course, this is a decrease. This particular line or this particular curve requires a correction, that is known as correction to the mass curve, which I will tell in the next class. Okay. Now, finally, what I am going to tell is the mass curve of the rainfall is the presentation of the rainfall in centimeter versus time in hours. It is going to give you the 24 plus 1 day plus another continuation of 8 hours or 12 hours, whatever that, which will show you the continuous cumulative centimeter of rainfall. Cumulative 4 centimeter, next is 8 centimeter, 4 plus 8 is 12. Then again 12, again next 3 centimeter occurs, then it will be 12 plus 3, 15, like that. Then somewhere from the 15 centimeter of rainfall for the 8 hours or 10 hours, then suddenly there will be only a 2 centimeter of rainfall. Suddenly there will be a crackdown, slowdown down. So that 2 centimeter from 8 centimeter rainfall, it cannot be a 2 centimeter. There will be some correction required for this mass curve. That mass curve is to be corrected. I am going to show you there are some methods to correct that rainfall. But now, if you ask anybody, what is the mass curve? Mass curve represents the graphical representation of the actual rainfall or the cumulative rainfall in centimeter versus the time in hours. Okay.